you're looking for a functional compact SUV with reliability and safety for your whole family, then take a look at this 2022 Jeep Compass Latitude in billet silver. With automatic headlamps, front fog lamps, 17-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and cross path detection, rear window wiper and washer, front bucket seating, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 17,000 miles on the odometer, 10.1-inch touchscreen, split folding rear seats, panoramic sunroof, 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjt.com, stock number 10143A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.